Tell me, and I may forget. Show me, and I may not remember. Involve me, and I will understand, is the inherent philosophy for a child's learning that lasts a lifelong. Educating children is not merely filling of a file, but lighting a fire in their spirits that endeavors for excellence. Children are at once attentive and may look alike, yet they can be remarkably different from one another.
Swing your arms. Very good.
One can't frame child's mind, but try to understand it, seek to nurture it, and strive to stimulate it with great ideas and good deeds. How to link learning to life and build a competitive role for the students is the deepest purpose of education, an art of teaching at Tagore Vanasthali, a co-educational residential international school. A vision conceived and realized by Sri K.L. Vata's social commitment to empower young children with knowledge and yet temper them with humility. Designed with keen awareness of the role aesthetics play in affecting the way children feel and behave within an environment. The infrastructure at Tagore Vanasthali Public School is well planned and surrounded by natural beauty of pines and Kuthar hills in such a manner that all its classrooms, coastal domes, and even play areas are literally in the lap of Mother Nature's soothing and pleasing ambience.
Good morning, students. Take your seats. Thermodynamics is a branch of physics which deals with heat and temperature, right? So there is no transfer of heat from A to B.
Educational programming at Tagore Vanasthali is designed to be affiliated to CBSE New Delhi and University of Cambridge examinations. An individualized educational plan IEP is developed for each student and short-term course objectives are reviewed 6 times a year. As a matter of fact, the kids are encouraged to interact and learn by playway methods with their teachers' active participation.
Very good.
The school's philosophy is distinguished by an insistence on personal conduct as depicted in regular march past, a dogged belief in the value of hard work and high expectations as true achievers.
Down.
The school has the state-of-art computer labs with latest machines having LCD monitors and latest network printers wherein the students benefit from a daily exposure to a variety of computer-related projects, online learning materials, and introduction to various internet-based lessons.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sit down. Please start the parliament session. Please start.
To enable children function optimally both in the classroom and in the community, the school emphasis on the development of each child's constructive behaviors like role-playing activities in mock parliament sessions, Students immensely benefit from the school library services like access to national and international books, journals, and a variety of newspapers and magazines, especially for our NRI and overseas students. In fact, children are well exposed to audio video sessions and quiz competitions are organized in the school on regular basis.
Now this is a question for team A. Who invented diesel engine? Rudolf Diesel. Yes, right answer. Clap.
So what will happen to that mercury?
It will go up
Why?
because the temperature is increasing. That's why it will. Yes, sir.
It is reaching up to, now approaching 70. In your case, this is 80. So still it is increasing.
In fact, by conducting special lectures in state-of-art science labs, our teachers quench the curiosity of young students.
Then move the image of the needle and we will try to set the
To
length.
know about the scientific principles behind the various natural phenomena and sensitize them about environmental issues.
When you will see under the microscope, you will see the whole mound of amoeba. Whether see it is of 10x or 40x.
सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा
As a preventive measure, we must grow more trees, stop killing of wild animals, use less petroleum products.
Due emphasis is placed upon the development of core academics and the acquisition of high standards in communication skills, both in English and Hindi.
So can anyone tell me what you understand by verb? Where do you use verb?
By encouraging open questioning approach among pupils,
Acquired means it gets.
while the classroom instructions are regularly delivered using diagrammatic presentations. The school has an excellent fully residential modern hostel facilities separate for boys and girls
How are you?
and are located just within the campus area, requiring minimum efforts to commute between classes and boarding arena. This reflects our commitment in providing an environment for hostlers' growth and comfortable learning that is stimulating, caring, and safe as well.
Hello students, how are you? Good evening, sir. Good evening. Ready?
Fine.
What is going on?
Sir, good marks.
Good marks in monthly test.
Yes.
Students are continuously encouraged to participate in various sporting events geared to their interests, along with the practical competition in the real world. All provides the fertile ground to elicit their enthusiasm and the longing to play, learn, and to get them to stretch themselves in team spirit. Evening preps, extra classes, and personal attention for boarding students is being undertaken by the respective teachers so as to keep the academic standards par excellence.
In this, what is given? Given is that ABCD is a parallelogram.
Please, for health, strength and daily food.
For our strength and daily food,
We give the thanks to Lord.
we give the thanks to Lord.
needed for the present society. I believe our children, with the cooperation of the parents and the new educative mass, they will bring a new name for that entire state of Himachal Pradesh.
True education is that which builds character, transforms the mind, expands the intellect, and helps one stand on one's own feet. At Tagore Vanasthali School, our duty is to strengthen the roots of children and help them take wings as resilient, resourceful individuals. There is an exclusive facility for modern gym wherein candidates can practice for physical fitness and endurance.
Very good, very good, very good. Keep it, keep it.
Besides, children participate and enjoy indoor games like table soccer, carom board, and of course, table tennis. Special inter-house matches are organized and even training sessions are conducted in games like cricket.
Our school got 100% NT's result for entire of Himachal.
Weekly teacher-principal academic meets and periodic parent-teacher interactions are the hallmark of the school's unique system of education throughout the year. The regular art and craft assignments, displays, conduction of specialized cooking classes under expert cook, and holding experiences classes on needlework.
This is all to change it. Do like this.
All are such activities that create a unique and useful skill sets in our children. As students learn to express themselves in theatre, dramas,
इतनी देर से बोल रहा है, तू क्या कर रहा है? सुनाई नहीं देता ना, जोर से बोलो। बाला रे बाग में झूला डालिया।
and execute their own ideas during special features like school winter bonfire meets, they become empowered in many ways that extend beyond the usual schooling. We at Tagore Vanasthali believe providing true educational care is to demonstrate authentic respect for a child's unique mind. Good medical facilities like beds, dispensary, and a first aid kit is being provided in the infirmary so as to conduct periodic health checkups by the visiting medical practitioners on call.
Our slogan is linking learning to life, and it means that the whole learning should be connected to learners' real life.